Hey there, everyone. Today we're diving into some super exciting activities you can enjoy right at home.
Whoa, this is gonna be awesome!
Yeah, let's use these pillows and chairs.
Don't forget to add a little tunnel with blankets.
That's right. Use household items to create a thrilling obstacle course for kids to navigate. Get creative and have fun.
I found the first clue!
This is so much fun. Where's the next one?
Hide clues around the house for kids to solve, leading to a surprise treasure. It's a great way to keep them engaged and excited.
Look at my glow stick!
This is so cool. I love dancing in the dark.
Let's turn up the music and dance like no one's watching.
Turn off the lights, give kids glow sticks, and let them dance to their favorite tunes. It's a glow-in-the-dark dance party they'll never forget.
Hey, let's have a cooking challenge!
Yeah, we can make our own fun snacks.
I'll help you set up everything, kids.
Mini Chef Cooking Challenge. Let kids create their own fun snack combinations with a mini cooking competition.
Let's build a huge blanket fort!
We can use it for story time or movie night.
Oh, this brings back memories. I'll help you kids with the fort.
Build a blanket fort. Encourage creativity by building a story time or movie night. Outdoor fun. There's nothing like some fresh air and sunshine to brighten the day. Encourage kids to explore, play games, or even have a little picnic outside. The possibilities are endless.
Oh, I love water balloon fights! They're the best on hot days!
Yeah, it's always so much fun. Let's get started.
All right, everyone, let's fill up those balloons. Ready, set, go?
Backyard water balloon fights are a classic but always a hit for hot days.
Look at all these cool leaves and rocks I found. We can make something really awesome with these.
That's wonderful, dear. Nature has so many beautiful things we can use for our art.
Nature art is a fantastic way to get creative. Collect leaves, rocks, and twigs to create unique art pieces.
Whoa, these bubbles are huge! This is so cool!
I can't believe we made this ourselves. It's amazing.
Haha, look at that one. It's like a giant rainbow floating in the sky.
Create a homemade bubble solution and giant bubble wands for hours of fun at the DIY Giant Bubble Station.
Oh, this is gonna be so much fun!
I can't wait to start drawing.
Sidewalk chalk obstacle course. Draw a path with challenges like hopscotch, spins, and jumps for kids to follow.
Whoa, look at that volcano erupt!
This baking soda rocket is awesome.
Let's try making some homemade slime next.
Outdoor science experiments, volcano eruptions, baking soda rockets, or homemade slime in the backyard. Creative fun. Dive into imaginative play with endless possibilities. From painting to building, let creativity soar.
Let's use these old boxes to create an entire cardboard city.
That's a fantastic idea. We can make buildings, roads, and even little cars.
Get ready to dive into a world of imagination as we transform simple cardboard into a bustling cityscape.
I can't wait to start building. Let's make it the best city ever.
Absolutely, let's gather all the supplies and get creative.
With a little bit of creativity and teamwork, the possibilities are endless. Let's get building. DIY tie-dye shirts. A fun, colorful activity that lets kids design their own clothing.
This is so cool! I can't wait to see how my shirt turns out.
I'm going to make a rainbow pattern on mine. It's going to be awesome.
Don't forget to wear your gloves, everyone, and have fun with the colors.
Next up, paint rocks with positive messages.
I love painting rocks. It's like spreading little bits of happiness everywhere.
And it's such a wonderful way to brighten up the neighborhood. Let's get creative with those messages.
Now, let's create your own board game.
I have so many ideas! This is going to be the best game ever!
We can make up our own rules and everything. How exciting!
Remember, the most important part is to have fun and be as imaginative as you can.
Finally, it's time for a puppet show extravaganza.
My sock puppet is ready for the show!
Mine too. I can't wait to put on a performance.
This is such a delightful way to let your creativity shine.